Hello everyone, my name is Siyi Wang. I will focus on the coastal atmosphere design and aquaculture circular economy in Hauraki Gulf Marine Park. The Hauraki Gulf is a coastal feature of the North Island in New Zealand, and it has an area of 4,000 km². Most of Gulf is part of the marine park. The park is distinctly different from another conservation area of New Zealand, not only by being a marine environment, but because it is the home to more than 1 million people along this coastal and these islands. The Gulf is a vibrant natural environment which has seen significant damage during 20th and 21st century from human use, among them overfishing, untreated sewage, microbial pollution, and sediment are the main problems. The first is overfishing. As we can see from the mapping, most recreational boats are docked along the coast. Whenever the fishing season comes, a large number of private boats will go out to fish, and it will affect the fish industry. The radio shows the indirect effects of different fishing mussel and overfishing, which can threaten most of species, and the mussel will be the most threatened. They lose their growing environment. With rapid urbanization and economic development along the coast, the impact of people activities on coastal and offshore marine ecosystem has been significantly increased. Most of species numbers are decreasing. Among wildlife, mussel and seals are already disappearing in marine parks, incident to the destruction of the marine ecological food chain. So I want to establish a coastal sustainable aquaculture system to replace traditional aquaculture through the cultivation of fish, mussels, and seaweed to filter coastal aquaculture emission and nitrogen emission. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient in the aquaculture ecosystem, and a large amount of nitrogen comes from aquaculture emission, and the biological circle technology can be used to reduce the harm of aquaculture discharge to the marine park. Many coastal areas are affected by the eutrophication caused by nutrient leakage from agriculture, sewage discharge, and other people activities. The blue mussels are not only good at harvesting nutrients, they also provide valuable seafood and raw material for foodstuff and fertilizer. Mussel farming can be used as a management tool to compensate for nutrient discharge in nutrient trading plants. The design aims to establish a coastal sustainable agriculture system through the cultivation of fish, mussel, and seaweed to filter coastal agriculture emission and improve seawater quality. The new agriculture has a key role to play in the well-being of regional communities, in the reliable support of the high-quality seafood, and support tourists. And it also creates habitat for another species. A marine farm creates an artificial reef effect through the physical structure of the farm and the crop on them, providing shade and food for another species. Due to the large number of dairy farms surrounding the site, eutrophication of coastal water is also a serious environmental problem. Therefore, it is important to cultivate filter-feeding creatures, such as blue mussel in the new aquaculture, which can remove nitrogen while producing seafood, fish feed, and improve the water qualities. The longline mussel farms are like artificial floating reefs. The ecological through are small and can be handled. A single mussel can filter up to 75 liters of seawater each day. The design also encourages people to use no-motorized ships in the boat, which will reduce the impact of the noise on the ocean. By setting boat stop point, people can go fish after dock around here. People can also stand on it and feel the marine park atmosphere. The new sustainable agriculture farming system is a simple, cost-effective, and straightforward concept for improving the ecosystem at Hauraki Gulf Marine Park.